In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, manage, and complete sprints in Jira. Sprints are a critical component of agile project management, helping teams focus their efforts and steadily progress toward their goals. Understanding how to effectively use sprints can truly transform your workflow in Jira. So, let's dive in. First, to get started with creating a sprint, you want to access the backlog of your Scrum project. This is where all the tasks or issues that have been logged are stored. From here, you'll spot the Create Sprint button. It's usually prominently placed to catch your eye when you're ready to organize the next set of tasks. Once you click Create Sprint, the next step involves defining the sprint details. Naming your sprint is important. It helps everyone know exactly what this period of time is focused on, so choose something descriptive. Think of a name that encapsulates the theme or main objective of the sprint, making it clear and unambiguous. Setting the start and end dates is the next important part. The duration of the sprint determines the timeline the team will adhere to, ensuring that work is completed efficiently within a specific time frame. Typically, sprints can last anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks, depending on the team's process and preference. Adding a sprint goal is optional, but it can be very beneficial. The goal outlines the primary objectives and can serve as a motivational tool to keep the team focused on what really matters during the sprint. It's a good way to align everyone's efforts. With that done, you'll need to add issues to your sprint. Take issues from the backlog that are ready to be worked on and move them into this new sprint. Prioritizing tasks in this step is crucial as it ensures the team tackles the most important work first. Managing sprints effectively requires ensuring you have the Manage Sprints permission in Jira. Once you're set up with the right permissions, head over to the project's sidebar and select Active Sprints. This view provides insights into what's currently being worked on, offering you a real-time view of progress. If your team is exceptionally busy and needs to work on several sprints at once, you can enable parallel sprints in Jira. This feature allows multiple sprints to be active simultaneously, freeing up the team to tackle various tasks without having to wait. On to completing sprints. When your team reaches the end of a sprint, you'll click the Complete Sprint button. Doing this means evaluating what's been achieved and moving forward. For any work that hasn't been finished, Jira allows you to create a new sprint and move the remaining tasks into this next cycle. Finally, if the sprint's goals have been fully met, closing the sprint will wrap things up neatly, moving any unresolved issues back into the backlog for future consideration. And there you have it. Those are the essentials for creating, managing, and completing sprints in Jira. By mastering these steps, you'll keep your team on track and optimize your project management efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy sprinting.